Okay, welcome back. So it's time for our weather lesson. Meteorologist Kyle Roberts is here. Now you asked, is it hot or has it been cool? I feel like the answer is kind of tricky.
Yeah, it probably depends on how you want to judge things so far this summer. Overall, the summer has been a little cooler than normal. You may have noticed that. Not so much recently, though. We'll talk about that coming up in just a second. So, one of the ways that we measure how hot a summer is sometimes by how many 100-degree days that we have. So, how many 100-degree days does DFW average per year? We talk about this a lot, so if you watch us, you should know the answer to it. We average 20 days a year where we have a high temperature of 100 degrees or above. So, what about this summer so far? To this point in the summer, it's about 9 to 10. So we're only really halfway through that summer heat on our way to 20 when it comes to that average. Now this summer so far, we've only had 6 100-degree days. And that's all happened within the last week and a half or so. The end of July there and yesterday, which was the most recent time we had a 100-degree day, we just hit 100 degrees before those storms formed, and that was day number 6. For the entire summer. So a little below normal when it comes to our 100-degree days so far this summer, and we'll gladly take that. By the way, July as a whole, was about a degree below normal for the entire month. So when you break this down month by month, average 100-degree days per month, we average about 2 in June, we average about 7 in July, but look at August. We average about 10 100-degree days in in August. So August definitely our hottest month of the summer, but as we head into September, those cold fronts start to become a little more common. And we only average 1 100-degree day once we head into September. So are we done with the triple digits? Probably not. I think we'll add a few more to that list before the month is done here, but thankfully, at least for now, we are below normal, and speaking of below normal, our temperatures are below normal outside right now as well. 79 degrees at Love Field, lots of delays and problems out at the local airports yesterday because of those thunderstorms. Today looking a little bit better, although I do see a lot of planes parked there on the tarmac or at least on the taxiways. So DFW Airport reporting delays about 30 minutes, although that's a lot of planes sitting there. We don't normally see that many planes just kind of sitting there. So hopefully that's an accurate description of the delays, and just how it so happens there's some planes sitting there, but hopefully it's not worse than my graphic shows there for you. Outside at the moment, not a ton going on. We got the cloud cover, a little cooler temperatures than normal, maybe a little mist and drizzle, some light showers trying to get going there anywhere from DFW off to the east and to the south. Through the rest of the day today, do not expect a repeat of yesterday, but I do expect some lingering showers to continue through the noon hour, maybe into the mid-afternoon before most of this tapers off through the afternoon and then into the evening. Clouds are really going to hang around, and that's going to hold down that high temperature. Your highs stay only in the upper 80s. Remember yesterday we hit 100 degrees. Today your highs are only in the 80s. Even if the sun breaks out, maybe hitting 90 in a few locations. So here's what happens the rest of the day. Some spotty showers will be out there. You can see coverage is not very high at any given time, but a little bit of rain here or there. 5 o'clock, you see the clouds slowly clearing from north to south, maybe a little sunshine before the sun sets. So later on this evening, we may see a little bit of sun, but I don't think it'll be enough to really warm us up. Your highs later on today, like I just showed you, only in the upper 80s or so. 79 degrees. It's after 11:30 on August 2nd. And it's only 79 outside. I'll gladly take that. Highs will range from the low to mid to upper 80s, maybe hitting 90 if you do see a good deal of sunshine, but I think a lot of you will be stuck in the clouds today, and so your highs mid to upper 80s for DFW. To the east and to the south where those clouds will really hold thick, your highs may only be in the low 80s this afternoon, and these below normal temperatures continue for most of this upcoming week. 90 tomorrow, 91 on Wednesday, 94 Thursday, 96 Friday. We are starting to warm back up. We'll be close to normal late week into next weekend and flirting with that 100-degree mark as we head into the following week, this time next week. So that's why I say we'll probably see some more triple digits before August is over. And we'll be back after this.